Most debt collectors win by default. They are counting on you not responding, and that is why we built ParkerGPT. It helps you fight back and respond with confidence. It's trained on more than 1 million real-life cases, including my own decades of defense work. ParkerGPT guides you step by step. It creates documents, and you can upload files, screenshots, and evidence for instant analysis. No thousands in attorney fees, just your lawsuit and the strategy that actually stops it.
Thank you for that wonderful intro, Brian. Now let me walk you through a full demo of what ParkerGPT at KillDebt.com can actually do for you. This is your dashboard. Everything starts here. It is where your tools, cases, and defenses come together in one place, so you are not jumping between documents or guessing what comes next. From here, click on My Briefcase to access your saved legal defense documents, uploaded case files, and everything tied to your specific situation. You can review your bookmarked cases here, and your bookmarked SEC filings as well. Your bookmarked case. You can also discuss this case straight with ParkerGPT for a more in-depth analysis about the case. Here, you can store all of your lawsuit documents, evidence, and research in one place, organized by case and creditor. You can create folders for real lawsuits like Midland Credit Management, LVNV Funding, or Portfolio Recovery Associates, and upload documents such as your summons, affidavits, billing statements, and court notices. Everything stays organized, searchable, no guessing where things are. Next, click on My Cheat Sheets. This is where ParkerGPT builds a focused, court-ready reference for your case, tailored to what you are preparing for. You will be asked a series of case-specific questions. Each answer narrows the result. The cheat sheet appears once ParkerGPT has enough information about your case. So don't be shy when it asks for information about your case. Give it all the details and who's suing you and on where it is. Cheat sheets are fast reference guides built around your situation. They help you prepare for hearings, motions, discovery, appeals, or responses without digging through stacks of paper. Each one is built step by step based on your answers, so it matches your court, your rules, and your timeline. Now, this is the My Calendar section. This is where you track court dates, filing deadlines, and important case events in one place, so nothing slips through the cracks. You can see upcoming events by date, filter by court hearings, deadlines, or general reminders, and add new events anytime as your case moves forward. ParkerGPT is your main workspace inside KillDebt.com. You can set the star icon to auto and lets ParkerGPT decide which tools to use for you. But you can also manually set it for whether you need rules, case law, or SEC search. The rocket icon enhances your prompt. It takes what you typed and refines it for clarity, legal precision, and better results. This is useful if you are not sure how to phrase a legal question or want a stronger, more focused response without rewriting everything yourself. This is where you can ask real, case-specific questions about debt collection defense and let the system guide you to the right tools automatically. You can type your question naturally, just like you would ask a lawyer. ParkerGPT understands context, court rules, and debt collection law and responds based on your situation. Your chat history keeps a record of every conversation you've had with ParkerGPT. That means you can always come back to earlier guidance, arguments, or explanations without starting over or re-explaining your case. The Artifacts tab to view and manage your saved conversations artifacts. Rules Searcher helps you quickly find and understand your state's civil procedure rules without digging through court websites or dense rulebooks. This tool pulls direct rule language and references, so you can see exactly what the court requires in your jurisdiction. Instead of relying on general advice, you get state-specific guidance you can verify and use immediately in your case preparation. Rule Searcher is ideal when you need to confirm timelines, filing requirements, or service rules before responding, filing a motion, or preparing for court. Securitization Searcher lets you investigate whether a bank or financial institution has securitized debt using public SEC Edgar filings. This is where ownership, transfer, and pooling issues often hide. Instead of guessing who actually owns the debt, you can search directly by company name or ticker symbol and review real filings like 10K and 10Q reports. If a debt was sold, pooled, or transferred into a trust, the party suing you may not be the party that owns the debt. Securitization Searcher helps uncover those gaps using the creditor's own filings. This tool is especially useful for standing defenses, chain of title issues, and challenging debt buyer claims when documentation is weak or incomplete. This is the Case Law Searcher. This tool lets you search real court decisions from across the United States, not summaries, not blog posts, not theory, but actual judicial opinions. You can search by party name, topic, statute, or even a specific legal issue, like debt collection, standing, FDCPA violations, or ownership of debt. What makes this powerful is that it does not limit you to only famous or heavily cited cases. It also surfaces unpublished opinions, which most people do not realize can still carry persuasive value in court. This matters because debt collectors often rely on volume and intimidation, not strong legal precedent. If you can point to cases where courts rejected the same arguments being used against you, you change the dynamic immediately. The book section gives you access to member-only guides written by Brian Parker. These are step-by-step playbooks covering real defense strategies, not theory. We also have a podcast on Spotify called Debt Collection Self-Defense, for times when you're driving or busy and can only listen. Here you'll find all the videos, explanations, and walkthroughs that break down complex legal concepts into plain language so you understand what's happening and why it matters. When you open a video, you don't just watch. You get a full breakdown with summaries, downloadable documents, and practical steps, all in one place. Videos are tagged by topic, legal concepts, laws involved, practice areas, and states, so you can quickly see what applies to your situation and where it applies. The document library contains ready-to-use templates, letters, and checklists. These include validation letters, cease and desist notices, proof requests, and other tools you can customize and use immediately. The Bookmarks tab saves the videos and resources you want to come back to later. This lets you build your own reference list as you learn and prepare. The community connects you with other people going through the same process. You can ask questions, share experiences, and learn from real situations, while Brian and the team actively participate and respond. If you need one-on-one guidance, consultations let you book time directly with Brian. This is for document review, strategy discussions, or getting clarity on complex situations where personalized insight matters. The Help Center answers common questions about the platform, features, and how everything works, so you can move confidently without confusion. Parker GPT isn't just information. It's structure, strategy, and leverage. Everything here is designed to help you understand your position, protect your rights, and make smarter decisions at every stage of your case. If you know where to look, you're already ahead. Visit KillDebt.com and ParkerGPT, your AI-powered debt defense. Only on KillDebt.com.